is the dumbest thing you have ever done as a teenager? 1. I snuck out to do teenagerly things around midnight and got back at 4 a.m. I agonizingly, slowly unlocked the door, being as quiet as possible. Just when I thought I'd made it, I reached for the doorknob and rang the doorbell. 2. One time, I walked into class high, sat at my desk, and tried to put on my seatbelt. 3. I shaved my eyebrows off for no reason whatsoever. 4. My friends and I used to break into very posh houses just to take showers. We didn't steal anything, just enjoyed luxury showers, not even together, just individually. 5. I farted while sitting on the ground in gym class. Everyone turned to look at me, and I turned around too, only to be staring at a wall. 6. When I was 16, I owned a camera with an extremely bright flash. I put the flash right up to my eye and took a picture. I was blind for a minute, and everything white appeared orange for 30 minutes. Yeah, I was an idiot. 7. I saw a bear in the woods and panicked. My brilliant solution? I threw food at it. 8. For my 18th birthday, my friends and I drove around in 3 cars, stealing signs and cones from roadwork sites at 3 a.m. We collected enough to close off part of a road with proper signage. It took 3 weeks before anyone realized no one was working there. 9. When I went to middle school, I threw all my elementary school papers and books into the kitchen garbage, soaked them with lighter fluid, and lit it on fire. When the flames reached 2 to 3 feet, I panicked and threw towels on it to extinguish the fire. The towels caught fire too. Eventually, I used the kitchen sink hose to put it out, leaving a molten ball of plastic behind.